This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome, hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss circle statement in GW Basic Programming Language, and the chapter is graphics in GW Basic Programming Language, and the module number is 15. So let's start. The purpose of circle statement is to draw a circle, ellipse on the screen during use of the graphics mode. The syntax says circle x, y, x and y coordinates, radius, color, start, end, aspect, and then column brackets, closing column brackets. This is the syntax of circle statement. Here's the XY are the x-axis and y-axis coordinates of the center of the circle or ellipse, and radius is the radius measured along the major axis of the circle or ellipse. The quantities of x and y can be expressions. The color specifies the color of the circle or ellipse. Its value depends on the current screen mode. In the high resolution mode, 0 indicates black and 1 indicates white. The start and end angle parameters are radian, arguments between minus 2 pi r minus 2 pi and minus 2 and 2 pi, like this, which specify whether where the drawing of the ellipse is to begin and end. The aspect describes the ratio of x axis to y axis. This is how it is written, x to y ratio. The default aspect ratio depends on the screen mode. So I'm gonna make them bold, all of these terms, technical points used in the circle statement, like this. So this is the whole interpretation of the syntax. Now I'm gonna give an example and we'll execute the same code in the IDE. So example 1, it is actually started with line 10, screen 1 colon circle 100 comma 100 of x and y axis and comma 50, which is the aspect value. So let's switch to the IDE and let's see how this circle can be drawn with the help of writing this code in the IDE. Here we are, viewers. I'm gonna type line 10 like this and screen 1 colon circle and then 100 comma 100 like this and comma 50. This is the code. I'm gonna press the enter key. I'm gonna type F4 key and type circle.v is name of the program, and press the F2 key. So and delete 220 and then delete 230, list it, work, switch to screen 0, and I'm gonna list the program. I press the F2 key. As you can see, circle on the screen by using screen 1. So this is how it is executed. That was the program. Use screen 0, tab list. That was the program, that was the output. The circle is drawn on the screen. So that is the program which was actually used to draw a circle on the screen by using the XY coordinates and the attribute 50. So we have executed this program in the IDE of GW Basic, and here is the output of it. Now I'm gonna write a note about it, that ellipse is mathematical term used for shapes of oval type by using one more parameter to the circle statement. Ellipse can be drawn. So I'm going to give example 2. One more program to draw ellipse on the screen, and the code is line 10. RAM remarks statement will be used. Draw an ellipse, line 20, CLS line 30, screen 2, line 40, circle 40, comma 80, comma 30, comma 1, comma and 1, line 50. END statement is used. So in this case, height of ellipse will be greater than its width. So let's switch to the IDE and see how it is executed. The same program of example 2, viewers. Now the height of the ellipse will be greater than its width, means an oval, a long oval will be drawn on the screen. Here we are, viewers. We will type screen 0. Now I'm going to type line 10 RAM draw an ellipse, line 20, CLS line 30, screen 2, line 40, circle 40, 80, comma 30, comma 1, comma and then 1, line 50. Here the end statement is used. I will type F4 key. I will press the F4 key and type the name as ellipse1.ves, name of the program. Press the F2 key so you can see an oval, an ellipse on the screen, and the height is greater than its width. That was the program, and that was the output. So viewers, here we have executed the above program and the output was an ellipse on the screen. So we will discuss one more example, and this is a different one. Example 2. The first one was the example 1. Now we'll discuss example 2, example 3. So here we will type line 10, RAM draw an ellipse, line 20, CLS line 30, screen 2, line 40, circle 40, comma 80, comma 30, comma 1, comma 2, line 50, end. Now we're gonna execute the same program in the IDE. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. So viewers will write a program, and then in line 10 we'll type RAM draw an ellipse, line 20 we'll type CLS, line 30 we'll type screen Once again, screen 2, line 40. We will type circle 40, 80, 30, 1, 2, line 50 and the end. Now we'll press the F4 key and type ellipse 2, name of the program with the extension BAS. Now we'll press the F2 key. Now you can see an oval, but this ellipse drawn from the above program will be less in width than that of example 2. So viewers, now I'm gonna give a note. That the ellipse from this is, you can see, smaller one, the width is lesser than the first one. Ellipse so this is how this ellipse is drawn. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. That's the whole explanation of using circle statement, how a circle, exact circle, is drawn, and how ellipses can be drawn with a larger width and a smaller width. Thanks for watching.